Okay, so here's some minor adjustments. When I push my door up, it wants to come back down a little bit. Okay, it's pretty balanced, but what I can do is I can take where I hooked into my track and pull it an inch or two further, and that will make it stay up a little bit further. So let's try that. But remember, you have to do it with your door open. So whenever you're going to disconnect the spring, you want to vice grip off your door. So to make a small adjustment, I'm just going to go from this hole up to this hole. That'll make the stretch spring a little further, hold your door up a little better. Do the same thing to the other side. Always make sure that you have a 2-inch drop on both sides. It's important this is even because your springs work independently and it makes your door operate better. So that's balanced pretty good. Another adjustment that you can make, if your door goes down and it wants to come back up on its own, okay, your springs are pulling a little bit too tight. So what you want to do is you want to take up here where we have the S hook and you want to back it off a couple of hooks. So let's try this. We'll pull these back a little bit. We'll do the same to the other side. Always make sure that you have a 2-inch drop on both sides. It's important this is even because your springs work independently and it makes your door operate better. So let's put the door down. And that'll keep your door down. And that's how you make your adjustments. Your cables and springs have to pull. So the further you pull and you pull on the spring, it's going to add the tension. The more you back off your S hook, the less it's going to be.